Hey, Carol and Mike here. We are at Holland Park in Spartanburg, South Carolina. We love this subdivision and you will too. So let me tell you a little bit about it. We have sold a couple of houses out here. It's a beautiful location. They seem to have everything. So the biggest thing right now, this is the week of Christmas, so they have some awesome incentives. The agent just told me, builder agent just told me that they have a move-in package that includes the refrigerator, washer, dryer, blinds, whole house blinds, or a covered porch or patio rather. Prices in the low 300s. They have some awesome models, so we're going to try to get in the model home. This is the Dakota model. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 2479 square feet. So come along with us. Okay, we're at the Dakota model at Holland Park in Spartanburg, South Carolina. So you'll notice the large entryway here. The flex space is downstairs, so you could definitely make that into a home office or whatever you want to. I believe we've got a coat closet here. Yes, coat closet. Let's see, maybe a half bath over here. Nope, another closet. Okay, we'll go upstairs shortly. And I love this kitchen. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful kitchen. Granite countertops, a huge bar. Wow, very nice. Tile black backsplash, gas appliances. Ooh, very nice. Lots of cabinets. And a huge walk-in pantry. Wow, very nice. And then we're gonna come around here and show you the little dining area here that goes out to a porch. Very nice. And then we've got the living area here, great room, very nice. Plenty of natural sunlight in here. A little drop zone area here. That would go out to the garage, but this is the model home, so that's an office. A little half bath down here for guests. Cute. Very nice. Okay, I'm at the top of the stairs. We've got a linen closet here, full bath with the tub shower combo, double vanity, ceramic tile floor, laundry room that I'm pretty sure goes to the master bedroom. I'll show you that in a minute. And the laundry again has the ceramic tile floor. Got a nice sized bedroom over here with a good sized closet. Very nice. And then we've got another bedroom over here. Cute. And I want to show you the ceiling because they do this in model homes to show you the spray foam insulation, which makes this house very energy efficient. And of course there is a closet behind the door there. And then you've got another good sized bedroom over here. Very nice. And you've got this flex room, great room, bonus room, whatever you want to make it. It's great. They've made it into like a game room / movie room here. Very nice. And then the master over here by itself. Plenty of natural sunlight. Good sized bedroom. Huge master bath. Double vanity. Ceramic tile floors, beautiful. Large walk-in shower. Very nice. And another closet over here, another linen closet. How nice is that? And the water closet over here with a door to close it off. And a huge closet over here. This is the master closet. Very spacious with a window. And yes, it attaches to the laundry room. How awesome is that? Just pull your clothes out of the dryer and hang them right up. Yes, we love Holland Park in Spartanburg, South Carolina. The location is very convenient to everything. So we have to tell you about these great incentives going on. The move-in package includes the refrigerator, washer and dryer, and blinds, or a covered back patio. So as we drive around, you'll see some of the beautiful sidewalks throughout. You'll see the beautiful homes in phase 1. We'll show you the pool and cabana and playground area and the dog park and the fire pit. There's so much going on in this lovely subdivision. So a couple of the models are the Buchanan, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1542 square feet, offered at only $269,900 at this time. Another model is the Brentwood model. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-car garage, 2345 square feet for only $309,900 at this time. And that Brentwood does have a main level flex space. Very nice. There's also a Chatham model out here. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2674 square feet for only $329,900. Those are great deals. So yes, the amenities are the dog park, fire pit, pool and cabana, and the tot lot, which is the little playground. They call it a tot lot because it's for smaller children, of course. The schools are E.P. Todd, Carver Middle, and Spartanburg High School. There are hospitals not too far away. One of them is Spartanburg Medical Center. It's only 4.7 miles away. Prisma Health in Greer is only 18 miles away. There's Greenville Spartanburg International Airport is not too far away. And there's also Spartanburg Downtown Airport is only 3.9 miles away. Interstate 85 is only 13 minutes away. Costco, one of our favorite places, is only 6.7 miles away. And downtown Spartanburg is only 10 minutes away. So as you can see, this is a lovely subdivision. If Mike and I can help you purchase a home out here in Holland Park in Spartanburg, South Carolina, we would love to help you. We have sold a few homes out here already, and we have very satisfied customer clients.